notifications because every single week we meet on our money during Secrets of the Wealthy, and every week I want to meet with you to make sure you're getting your money right and setting yourself and your future family up long term. Meet with me 5 to 60 minutes every single week right here. Take notes and let's talk getting wealthy. Let me talk you into building wealth in your life. So someone asked me the other day, hey, can you make a video giving a plan for how somebody could retire a multimillionaire? And I can. Retiring a multimillionaire is a great plan and it's easy to do. So I want you guys to grab your pen and paper and write some of these things down. The first way I would do this is invest $20,000 into a low-cost S&P 500 index that tracks mid to large cap stocks. If you do this and you wait 43 years for compound interest, you will have 1.2 million at retirement. You can download Robinhood Wealth Simple on your phone. You can invest through your bank. Another way is invest $30,000 into it. You invest $30,000 into it, you're gonna have 1.8 million. Maybe you want to go bigger, you got some more cash on hand, invest $100,000 in, and you'll have 6 million. When it comes to building real wealth and retiring wealthy, you want to play the slow but guaranteed arrival of wealth game to retire a multimillionaire. If you don't have 43 years, then you got to learn how to start and grow an online business as soon as humanly possible because it's the only way.